Hello friends, I am Priyanka Kunde, and in this session I am going to teach you signal function in advanced operating system. So let's begin with this signal function. This is the simplest interface to the signal feature of the Unix system, and we need to include signal.h for this. Let's see the prototype. This signal function has a two argument. One is a signal number and second is a pointer to signal functions which returns nothing, and these functions which have these two arguments with integer value which is also written nothing, means this function returns previous disposition of a signal if okay, otherwise it returns sig error or it gives the sig error. Signal number is the argument, it is just the name of the signal. As I told you before in before session, all signals are defined by positive integer constant in the header file, which is the signal.h. That's why we need to include it in this programming related to AOS. And second argument is a pointer to function that takes a single integer argument and return nothing, means this signal handler is dispose or check the previous signal handler, and that's why this function is used here. For considering this or for focus on this function, we need to take one example, one program. Here we have a sig user 1 and sig user 2. These two signals which are used for IPC, that is inter-process communication. We here include APU.h. APU.h means advanced programming in Unix environment. After that we declare user defined function static void sig user int, means a handler for both signals. Let's start with the main functions which have a argument, nothing argument, and it returns in integer. Let's see the if signal, this function which we see for which we take this program, signal sig user 1 comma sig user equal to sig error, means here the two parameter, first is sig user means sig number, and second is a sig user functions that is defined after the main function, and it will be checked for equal to sig error. If it is yes, then can't catch the sig user 1. Next if we check the signal sig user 2, sig user equal to sig error. If there is a problem with this, then error is that can't catch the sig user 2, means this sig user handler can't get or catch the two signals by sig user 1 by sig user 2. And I think we need to focus on this sig user function. Static void sig user, it take a one argument sig number, and if sig number equal to user 1, print sig user 1, else if sig number sig user 2, print received sig user, else error dumps received signal % sig number. Means let's focus on main function. If signal of sig user 1 comma this sig user, means this when this if function is executing, then it is the second parameter in this sig user, this function is executing actually, and after that if it get the value from this sig user, it is compared to sig error, and if it is not match, then it can give the can't catch the sig user 1, otherwise can't catch the sig user 2. I think you got the idea behind this program, why this signal function is used. It just compare the handlers, it just gives the disposition of previous handler. Okay, let's see the output. We run this program, we execute this program by ./a.out. by executing it means it is a executable file. It start the process in background. Let's see, 7216 means a job control shell prints job numbers and process ID. Actually the background process have that job number and process ID, so 7216 is here. And if here signal receive or not, for that means here using kill function, the system use kill function for sending one process sending signal to another process. So kill user 1 7216 send it sig user 1, so that's why here received signal. After that the system automatically call the kill function and it will send the user 2 7216 to sig user 2, and that's why here print sig received sig user 2. And after that this kill function 7216 now send it to sig term and the program is terminated. Means this is very simple mechanism to understand, and I think we have a focus on this function because this signal functions sending some signal or for executing this signal, here two signals or a system call are used. Means these are system call, but these system call are called by the processes for generation of this signal. Int kill, a process may send a signal to another process including itself by calling kill, and raise means a process may send a signal to itself by calling raise. First, this int kill contain two parameter, PID that is process ID of the particular process, and int signal means the signal which here want to send. Here PID is matched with that process which have a PID. These two PID means the parameter of kill function, this PID, and the process whose PID is matched with this argumental PID, then this kill function call by one process to another process or one process send a signal to another process by using kill. And raise means just a signal which sends a process to itself. I think you got the idea behind this process of the sending signal. Thank you everyone. Thank you so much.